What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, good morning. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? What a go on? You alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. Guys, remember, wellness check. Please, me I beg you, do no wellness check. Check on your friends and family because mental health crisis is on a rise. And guys, also, domestic violence is on a rise. So check on your friends, check on your people. And guys, if you cannot afford to lose it, don't give it. Don't get involved. And guys, also, walk away from trouble if you can. Promise me, son, not to do the things they've done. Walk away from trouble if you can. Yeah, man, walk away from trouble if you can. Because remember, you're either going to lose your 3 point or you're going to lose your freedom for the rest of your life. Or you go unalive somebody and them go lose them life. If today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. If tomorrow is your birthday, happy birthday soon come. If yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday. Now, guys, I have to talk about this and I will talk about this again. Double standard. Double standard. Who is the king of double standard? Who is the king of double standard? The king of double standard is AKA shit in a truck, AKA nyam in a truck, AKA Rumram. Rumram is the king, the malfunctional king of double standard. Now, Rumram, come here. So you call me thief, yeah? You make whole video about me a thief. But how many see you make no video about Mackie thieving Alicia Kim money out our bank March of this year 2026 while he is making all kind of video putting this young lady down, beating this young lady, but yet still him is going into an account that she have. Hold on a little bit. Also, did you know that is called stealing, thief, take? Are you they call him take it back, No, it's not take it back in take one of him. You imagine, after so many years of a relationship broke up, you go inside of this woman's bank account. That simply means that is not only that you go in the bank account, but you thinking of these things. You're going into these things. You have no right to go in this young lady bank account. You have no right. That means you go to the bank and check if your name still is on that bank account. Why did you even go to the bank to ask if your name is on a bank account that you know you don't put money in? You never put no money in it. You thief the money. Mackie, you is a thief. Mackie, me tell everybody long time that you is a criminal and them never believe me. A lot of people don't believe me. A lot of people say all different sort of things about Rodney going too far in people's business. Rodney's going too far in people's life. But none of you right now is making a video about Mackie thieving the money. All you do is make video saying that Alicia Kim look attention, Alicia Kim look money, Alicia Kim look this, Alicia Kim look that. But did you see Alicia Kim sure? Did you see she's so sure? Hold on a little bit.
Today, March 23rd, 2026.
On a seat, Alicia
For
Kim
legal
show it.
purposes, of course,
It's not all about what we are saying or what Alicia Kim is saying is lie. She show it.
must see where you
The
show.
third month, I want it 20. Wanna see the date? Because this video, me I make it and then add on. You know me good at the editing. So,
Remember,
guys,
the divorce
when you
has
check
been
it out, if you sit
finalized.
down and look at this
Assets,
matter,
debts,
this is a
accounts,
very
everything
serious
has
matter.
been taken care
And
of.
I gotta be honest with you. Alicia Kim, I hope you watch that video. I hope you don't sit down on this. I hope you don't sit down on this. Because me cannot believe that after Mackie disrespect Alicia Kim so much on the YouTube, call her Jezebel, chastise her and her young kid, her unborn kid. I cannot believe that after so much years, you would still go to a bank that you know she have an account in her and go inside that bank and take out her money. I cannot believe you would still do that. You know, let me say this to you. Alicia Kim, if you contact the police, they're going to dig deep, they're going to investigate when the last money goes in there, who put that money in there, how long that money is in there, and all sort of things. They're going to investigate how many times Mackie go into that bank account. They go investigate how much time he goes in that bank. They go investigate a lot of things. Me know it. They're going to investigate everything. Once the police go into that bank and ask for anything, they're going to give it to them. So, Mackie, boy, your goose cook. And also, Alicia Kim, I would love if you bring up, I would love if you bring up that he went into your account without your knowledge long time ago and took how much thousands of dollars out of your account. I told you, I tell you, I talk long time and tell you that Mackie is a con artist, Mackie is a thief. I remember when Mackie get a job in Fort Lauderdale, Miami. Fort Lauderdale, yeah? For a lawyer man. And the lawyer pay Mackie half of the money for him to do the work. Mackie only go and do some of the work, a little small piece of the work, and did not finish the man work. But he wanted his full money. There's another time that Mackie get the full money. Mackie did not finish the job. Mackie did not finish the job. So guys, when I said things to you all out there, and you all may believe that I'm just a person who give trouble, or I'm just a person who go too far in people's business, or I'm just a person who just love people business, or I'm just a person who go too far, as some people say. Because people say it. People say, oh, Rodney go too far in people's business. Rodney never did have to dig up that. Rodney's never. But I do those things because I know what I'm doing. When I do those things, listen me good guys. When you see me dig for things, I dig for things because it will show who this person really is and how this person is and where this person dirty criminality, criminalization, criminal life is coming from. That's why I dig. That's why I take up these things. And it is easy. I can call or I can go and get these information. So guys, when you sit down and look at it, Rumram is not making a video saying anything about Mackie thief the money, even when there is proof. No, they rather to make a video saying that Alicia Kim is looking clout, Alicia Kim is looking money, Alicia Kim is doing this, Alicia Kim views gone down, Alicia Kim this, Alicia Kim that. Now, let me say this. I make a video the other day showing Rumram double standard because in brother, listen me good enough. The video wasn't really towards his brother, you know. The video is just a video showing the double standard of who he is. Yes, his brother is going to take it a certain way, I understand that. However, I saw Rumram. I saw him on a live and I stopped and I hear him, oh, guys, this winner strong. Yeah, man, the winner serious. Guys, I hear him talking over there on his live. And listen to what he's saying. He's talking about my kids. Yes, my kids. He's talking about I don't show my last kid. I don't this, I don't that. Woman this. And let me say this to him. There's nothing, as I said it every time, there's no, oh, he even talk about, I have gay police family. Tell the truth, I am glad you can tell me that I have gay in my family because I don't know if I have no gay in my family because let me say this to you. A person's sexual orientation is not my problem. What a person do with their sexual whatsoever is not my problem. No, because you who know them, so you can pick them out. Because remember, Tressa say, you is one of them. So, when you look at my, and another thing, Rumram do. Talk, Rumram say about my mother. Oh, I love my mother. You see, my mother is on my Instagram or Facebook, one of them. My father is also on them. Where is your mother and father? Where is your mother and father? There's nowhere to see and no channel that you have because you delete them. Now, let me also say this to you. When you're going to talk about my kids, I am so happy, excited about them. Can you say the same? You cannot say the same because you have nothing, no idea about kids. And also I can say this to you. When you and your lady friend married, she tried to have a kid, don't it? guys, I really don't want to go in there, you know. So I go stop it right there. So I go say that. I go let me leave it there. Because to be honest with you, uh, but anyway, guys, make we, make we talk about the meat of the matter. Me just leave that the part there alone because you know want me good down in the nitty gritty, brother. You do not want me to go down there at all. Yes, you do not want me to go down there. Anyway, you love the double standard too much because you should have come out and make a video asking Mackie why did he take the money. Instead, you come out talking about Alicia Kim looking clout, doing this, doing that, when the lady money, it doesn't matter, $200 gone. And a fee Mackie, in steal the money. You hear what Alicia Kim said? When the teller asks her, when the person who she called asks her, you know this person? She say yes, she know the person. Now me I wonder if Mackie never realized that, you know what happened? Mackie go in at the bank, go check to see if money in there. But listen to the dirty part of it. And this is the part of it where me hope Alicia Kim sink him with. What if Alicia Kim was putting thousands of dollars in that bank account? What if Alicia Kim was putting thousands of dollars in that account? Oh, Bianto, that money would gone. All of that money would be gone. He would take it out or he would take half of it. If that account did have thousands of dollars in it, just so you know, Alicia Kim would be short of thousands of dollars. Because just as what he did to that first account, take out half of the money, he would do the same thing. So remember, may I tell you, God is good. God is the greatest. God only knew and said, Alicia Kim, do not put any money in that account. Because if Alicia Kim did have any more money in that account, it would be gone. It's a look. And look, she have 200 and something dollars in there. And he didn't take 100. He did not take 100 to say, okay, I'm going to take 100 and left 100 for her. No, he take the two. He take 200. Now, guys, I want you to sit down, you know. I want you to sit down, analyze, and look at this. Look at it good. You divorce a person. You and that person left. So there's no more communication, no more transaction with money. You go to the court and the judge says left and right. So that means right there, when the judge says cut off, you have no more affiliation with each other. Am I right or am I wrong? In the comment section, tell me if I'm right or wrong. Now, years after you take up yourself, hold on a little bit, let's say 3 years after, let us use a number. 3 years after you take up yourself, walk into a bank that you know there was an account with you and her in it.